Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to slide an Infiniti G35. First, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals of weight transfer and throttle modulation. A controlled slide isn't just about raw power, it's about finesse. We'll cover how to safely initiate a slide, focusing on smooth inputs rather than abrupt movements. Remember, practice makes perfect, so finding a suitable, open space is key for learning these techniques responsibly. Before attempting any slides, proper vehicle preparation is essential for safety and performance. Make sure your tires have ample tread and are inflated to the correct pressure, typically around 32 psi. Verify all fluid levels, especially engine oil and brake fluid, and confirm your brakes are in excellent working order. Always wear your seatbelt, and critically, ensure your practice area is completely clear of obstacles and other people. Now let's talk about initiating that slide. As you approach a turn, aim for a moderate speed, perhaps around 25 mph. A gentle tap on the brake will help transfer weight to the front, lightening the rear. Then, as you turn the wheel, smoothly apply throttle. You'll feel the rear of the G35 begin to step out. Counter-steer quickly and precisely to maintain the slide's angle. To maintain your slide, it's a delicate dance between throttle and counter-steering. Small adjustments are key. Too much of either can cause a spin. As you near the exit of your turn, gradually ease off the throttle and gently straighten the steering wheel to bring the car back into a straight line. Consistent practice will refine your control. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals. Keep practicing safely and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.